Hi, my name's Katherine. I'm a senior stylist here at Verde Salon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this twisted half-up hairstyle. To do this half-up style, I'm going to be using one of our small tray sheet clips. I'm going to start out by twisting my hair back, just like this. You can grab hair as you go as well. To make it easier on yourself, I take the clip one side back, and then I'll grab the other side. I also like to leave two small pieces in front of my face just to frame it, because this is my lighter side of my hair as well. I'm not going to be grabbing as much hair, but still twisting it back in the same motion. Now I have both of the pieces in my hands at the back, and I'm going to twist them together and just secure that with the clip. Once it feels secure, I'll take a look at how it looks in the front and then just loosen up anything that I'm not liking how it's sitting. And that's just a cute little half clip there. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the products in the description box below.